Hey guys, so here are my thoughts for today, starting with Euro USD. We can see that even though we are in the bearish trend overall, we're kind of still stuck in this massive range over here. So as you can see, I've marked that we have liquidity with these equal highs. So it is likely that we might break the swing high. However, I just follow the trend that I do see. So for now, if we are going to continue the bearish trend, what we want is a minor break over here, price come down, create fresh supply from potentially here, and then we can trade from that supply and continue going down. However, you can see that so far until now, every time we've reached this level, the supply has failed. For example, there wasn't really supply there. This supply failed, of course, and then this was like the main supply, and that failed over here. So we'll have to see if we do finally get a strong enough supply. Otherwise, wait for confirmation, because we have a lot of liquidity above these highs. So there is strong likelihood that we could just continue further up. And let's look at GU as well, because this is the reason it's sort of like an extra confluence that EU is likely to move up higher, because GU is also very strong bullish at the moment as well. So you can see we had the breaker structure over here, and we're just continuing up higher. What we're waiting for today is a break of the minor structure over here, and then we can trade from the supply. And then as you can see, we have our discount pricing. We have a nice demand over here, which is where I will first be targeting to if we do get any retracement trades. But then, yeah, of course, the overall trend is bullish. So our main interest, or the more interesting trade, is to take longs from this demand and continue with the overall bullish trend. But yeah, if we do get the retracement signal here, then it's likely that EU will create that supply at the same time, and we can short them both potentially. So that's what I'm looking at today, and I'll quickly go to the 15-minute. I'm not taking this setup on the 15-minute just because I prefer a little bit more confirmation with the 4-hour. I would prefer to have the 4-hour minor break. But if you want to be aggressive, this is a potential aggressive trade opportunity here, where we have the minor break. So the 15-minute retracement is sort of starting. There's not actually any demand over here, but we can just draw premium discount. You can see the 50% is already fulfilled and there's no demand. So that means, since there's nothing to push price up further, it is more likelihood that price will come and take out these lows and continue down, and we'll get that 4-hour retracement. Let me just check this on the footprint. 9:45. I don't think you can see my footprint screen, but I will just let you know that this supply, we didn't get a valid trade according to the footprint yet, so this supply is still unmitigated. But what we could potentially see then is the mitigation of the footprint level, and then that move down lower. So so that's the aggressive entry you could take if you wanted, or you could just wait for the setup to play out first, and then you will have the confirmation on the 15-minute and the 4-hour that we are bearish and starting retracement. So then you could take, you wait for price to come back into supply, and then we can take the second shorts with stronger confirmations. So that's what I'm looking at for today. We do have news later on today, 1:15 my time, so that should give us, that should let us know whether we are going to be getting our shorts or just breaking up to the upside, right? So let's see what happens.